Just checked in to the Hilton Vacation Club in Orlando and gonna give you a tour of my suite. It's a 3-bedroom suite. Here is the living room. It's got a full kitchen with a nice dining table. This is the laundry room with a washer and dryer. Here is one king bed. I am staying in this room. Nice tub, shower, closet, toilet, vanity, you go down the hallway. Here is another bathroom, a bedroom with 2 twins, and another king bedroom. Same setup as the other bedroom. Vanity, closet, shower, and toilet. Very, very nice. There is even a screen porch. I'm on the 4th floor. Nice screened porch. Ceiling fan out here. But little water view, which is kind of nice. If you want more information about the Hilton Vacation Club in Orlando, leave a comment below or shoot me a DM. I'm happy to give you quotes on this place. Great location near all the attractions of Disney and Universal, right down the street. Also the Marriott Conference Center where my travel conference is this week. This resort has a kids area, yoga every day, volleyball, basketball, a playground, a lake, swimming pool, a lot of stuff. And it's very convenient to all the attractions of Disney World. So if you want more information, let me know. I did book a 1-bedroom king suite with a full kitchen. It was $119 a night, which is not bad at all. But when I got here, they upgraded me for free to a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, which was really nice. And y'all just saw that video tour of this place. So if you want more information, let me know. I'm here and happy to help you with any of your travel needs.